weighing less than 249 grams and with upgraded safety features. Cut through the darkness, take back the night, discover the world by moonlight, show off your unique artistic style, bringing imaging quality to an entirely new level. Well, stick around because we have some very interesting trends for you today. All the links to the product's description below. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The mini-sized, mega-capable DJI Mini 3 Pro is just as powerful as it is portable. Weighing less than 249 grams and with upgraded safety features, it's not only regulation-friendly, it's also the safest in its series. With a 1 divided by 1.3 inches sensor and top-tier features, it redefines what it means to fly mini. Packed with performance, Mini 3 Pro sports a completely new look that is optimized to get more out of every flight. With larger propellers, an aerodynamic body tilt, and a powerful obstacle sensing system, the streamlined design allows for increased flight time and safety. The reimagined gimbal offers a wider rotation range for low-angle shots and true vertical shooting, allowing endless creative opportunities. Every aspect of this facelift has been carefully considered to take Mini to never-before-seen heights. EVO Light Plus. Cut through the darkness, take back the night, discover the world by moonlight. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor and Audal's intelligent moonlight algorithm, the EVO Light Plus can capture crisp, vibrant details at night with low noise, even when the ISO is cranked up high. Take control with an adjustable aperture. Flex your creativity with an adjustable aperture from f divided by 2.8 f divided by 11, giving you the ability to alter exposure and depth of field in imaginative ways that show off your unique artistic style. Automatically balance overexposure and underexposure when shooting scenes with too much contrast, producing clear images with more layers. Whether you're flying over a gloomy hilltop at dawn or hovering at the base of a waterfall, cut through the haze with a fog penetration function that automatically adjusts the camera's vibrant settings to make your footage look crisp and clear. Super sensitive 50MP camera. Experience a new level of image quality thanks to a super sensitive 50MP camera equipped with a 1 divided by 1.28 inches CMOS sensor. The camera adopts an RYYB color filter array design, which absorbs 40% more light than traditional RGB arrays, allowing you to capture natural scenery in all its glory. DJI introducing Mavic 3 Classic. The iconic Swedish brand Hasselblad designed and built the L2D20C aerial camera just for the Mavic 3 series, embedding a professional-grade 4/3 CMOS in an unbelievably compact space. Rigorous Hasselblad standards are applied to both hardware performance and software algorithms, bringing imaging quality to an entirely new level. Just like other Hasselblad cameras, the L2D20C lens adopts rigorous standards and has every pixel of the sensor calibrated with the HNCS embedded. This delivers vivid, natural colors with the simple press of the shutter, allowing you to capture breathtaking landscapes without complicated editing or color presets. DJI Air 2S. DJI Air 2S is equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 pixels and capable of 5.4 Kelvin divided by 30 FPS and 4 Kelvin divided by 60 FPS video with operating temperature range 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. This drone next evolution of quick shots. Master Shots is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap dot and amazing focus track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. Max service ceiling above sea level, 5,000 meters with 10-bit D-Log-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced L3 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. An ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions, up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speed. DJI Avata. With the DJI motion controller, intuitive flight is in your hands. Squeeze the trigger and bolt forward or turn a corner with the swivel of your wrist. The controls are easy to use and provide a totally unique way to fly. When you combine Avata with the goggles and motion controller, flight becomes accessible to all. Experience the thrill of total immersion with unrivaled safety and control. Embrace your spontaneity and capture the world around you. Some of us were born to fly. Compact and lightweight, DJI Avata is nimble in tight spaces. Every aspect of its design was made for you to be bold. world. The built-in propeller guard means that if Avata comes in contact with an object, it can bounce back, stay in the air, and can keep on flying. Enjoy next-level comfort and convenience with DJI goggles too. Now smaller, lighter, and equipped with micro-LED screens, so you experience outstanding clarity as you navigate the sky. DJI Avata also supports DJI FPV goggles V2. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the Innovative Tech channel for don't miss any tech gadgets videos. Stay tuned. See you soon.